This morning we done customers looking for a rear view camera put onto one of the new Citroen Dispatches. That was for holidays in Bushmills. There's a new camera available for them which is built into the rear brake light, which means there's no drilling or any holes left in the vehicle there. I'll show you the monitor inside. We used a park safe clip-on monitor because this van had got the rain sensor built onto the windscreen, which doesn't let you add the additional mirror. So that's the inside mirror. We'll just go on to reverse now, just to show you the picture. And that's the back of the vehicle. So if that's something you need for your new Citroen Dispatch or Peugeot, one of the new Peugeot relay vans, give us a call and we can help sort it. Thanks for watching.